Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, Senior Mentor of 1 Billion Signal, sponsored by Merit Forex. It's a new week, as you know, and of course, new opportunities. Last week was very interesting. This one definitely will be as well, because we have NFP week, non-farm payrolls on Friday, and it's gonna be interesting. We start straight to the point with the economic calendar recap. We started the week with Tuesday consumer confidence in United States, very important indicator, especially right now when the consumer confidence is very important for the economy, and it's very well monitored by the institutions in US. So this could definitely bring volatility on the market on Tuesday 2 p.m. Wednesday we have ADP non-farm employment change 12:15. CPI yearly basis for the Eurozone 9 a.m. GMT, very important. This is the June CPI inflation report. Gross domestic product in Canada 12:30. Pending home sales 2 p.m. for US monthly basis. Crude oil inventories 2:30 p.m. Crude oil is still holding the top, but it seems it's losing its a growth strength. Thursday we have manufacturing PMI 8:30 a.m. GMT in UK. Initial jobless claims 12:30 GMT. 2 p.m. for US, 2 p.m. ISM manufacturing PMI, and Governor Biley is gonna give a speech 7 p.m. GMT. Friday we have, of course, the lovely non-farm payrolls, very important event on the market, as you know, 12:30 GMT, and an unemployment rate 12:30. So this definitely could bring a volatility on the US dollar. Crypto is still under pressure, a little bit more about it later. So let's take a look what we got on the market, on the charts. Your US dollar in front of us, we talked about it, that euro is it made a significant drop because of the Federal Reserve Chairman Powell. Right now we've seen a quick correction to the upside, 100 pips, but if you take a look the last couple of days, last week, it seems that the euro is losing ground against the US dollar. US dollar is pushing up, it's trying to push up because of this recovery, and it's trying to just maintain it and push the euro going even further down. It's pretty possible, guys, to see the euro continue going down. So I'm gonna wait carefully to see what's gonna happen. Consumer confidence, I repeat, is important indicator. Let's take a look tomorrow what's gonna happen, but for now I'm not gonna take any buy trades on the euro right now. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer. The GBPUSD kind of similar, but still more like it's stronger than the euro US dollar if we compare it, because simply holding the support 1.3814, slight drop to the downside. If you're going to take any buy trades on any majors, definitely the Great British Pound is the best option. Still holding the support here 1.38 and waiting to see clear picture, but we have a minor resistance 1.3918, so we just have to wait to break it out. But very nice currency pair. Australian USD, okay, that's a good sign to went above the support 0.7563, our major support. If it holds here these levels, easily we're gonna see test of 0.7655. Quick one, Sydney is under lockdown for 2 weeks as far as I know. We talked about full lockdown, very very interesting. So even though considering the low cases, COVID cases in Australia, Australia and New Zealand are the countries that actually are with the lowest COVID cases worldwide, and still they're very careful, very cautious about the COVID virus. So that's why I think Australia and New Zealand are going to have advantage in the future, because anyway they're very strong countries. But we are right above the support 0.7563. Wait for it. We can see slight drop and continuation to the upside, but the Australian looks very promising. New Zealand US a little bit different, because we have strong resistance 0.71, and if the price tests this level, we definitely can see further drop weekly, even if the major starts going up, even if we see the US dollar continue declining to the downside. We definitely can see the New Zealand struggling breaking out this level. So just careful by choosing New Zealand USD as a trade opportunity. USD Canadian, one of the most clear, I would say, definitely currency pairs, and very simple and clear downtrend. We can see slight push to the upside of the US dollar, but I think this is going to be temporary, and continuation to the downside, it's pretty possible. Sorry. 1.2366 is our resistance level. Our resistance zone even is 1.2466, 1.2366, about 100 pips, a very crucial level. And I think that the price can test somewhere here the levels if the US dollar decides to go up and then dropping down. Crude, one of my favorite, of course, commodity, and one of my favorite instruments to trade. Crude oil is holding 74, tested the 74, still surprised to see the crude oil pushing so big time up, and which makes the drop much more interesting and much more stronger when it comes. So crude is 74, no resistance here, as you can see. If we zoom out a bit, nothing on the back. Yeah, we can get the chart back, but it's just we are not gonna see any resistance on the crude. So exactly because of this, I think once it starts dropping, guys, it's gonna be epic. So crude, we've been waiting for it. Very interesting, of course, commodity, and could be one of the most potential opportunities in the next couple of weeks. USD Swiss, 0.92 is our resistance, and as you can see, exactly like the other currency pairs, our USD Swiss is pushing up, and today just trying 20 pips to push up, pushing down, I'm sorry, and try to push up today with 20 pips. Let's see if the dollar is going to maintain this growth trend, if we can say that way. And further down, I'm going to hunt for short opportunities on the USD Swiss franc. USD Japan on the other side is pretty interesting because it's completely unlinked with the rest of the majors. USD Swiss going up, USD Japanese going down. Very interesting, and I think we're gonna see a strong drop of the USD Japanese in the next couple of weeks. It's gonna be interesting. It's crucial to see the price holding 111 USD Japanese. This level, very crucial to the price to hold it. So we can see slight drop, continuation slightly, and drop to the downside, but it's a matter of time to see. So a little bit more about the crypto, guys. It's still under pressure. All the cryptocurrency pairs, the tops, the majors, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and etc. Just as I'm discussing all the time with my students, definitely my personal opinion is it's a very good time to get away from the crypto, because we are going to see very huge decline, and it's gonna be pretty similar like as it happened 2018 when Bitcoin was 20k and went down to 3,000 for a very long period of time. So in order to recover, if you're a true hodler, as we love to say, in order to recover, it's going to take a lot of time. So it's going to be a waste of time and money in order to hold, in my opinion. But let's see if I'm going to be right or wrong. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Really hope you enjoyed these videos. Of course, share us and like us on the social medias if you would like. Of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell, by the way, because this is how you're gonna be notified for my new videos. If you want to reach me, you know how to do it. Enjoy the week. Have a very profitable one, of course, and expect my new video. Bye bye.